Time is 3:43, and this is for your London Overground service to Richmond, at Stratford, and then the one after to go into Richmond. Three seven eight 207. And then there should be another one going to Richmond, which is in 3 minutes is the Richmond. So this is for the 15:45. This is for the 15:44 London Overground service to Stratford, which has just left, and the 15:47 London Overground service to Richmond, which is the one that's just coming from that direction. So I'm going to go wait on the other side so I can film it easier, and I've got to walk that way back, which is quite annoying, but never mind. Oh. Oh, here it is. It's a 7:30. It's a 7:20. 7:10 377. Seven ten 377 off to Richmond. And oh, this barrier's slow. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.